Hey guys, welcome to another night in the shop. I'm Fred. This is small updates and the progress of my indexing table, welding indexing table. We finished off the control panel. I got the foot pedal in a couple days ago. Just finished wiring it up today. Got it on a small trailer plug so I can quickly disconnect, roll it up, and put it in the cupboard. Got the speed controller, got the power supply, got a double pole, double throw toggle switch to go forward and reverse. And I'll give you a couple shots of this. All right, hang in there. Okay guys, so we got a 12 volt power supply. Got our speed controller here and a forward and reverse double pole, double throw toggle switch. And I did make a connection on one of the trailer adapters that you use on your car. I'm using this as just a quick connect so I can take the foot pedal off. Got the foot pedal. As you can see, that came in a couple days ago, so I was pretty happy. I wanted to get this all wired up. Got the top panel all tigged up there, so that top panel will just sit over top of this. I got to make a couple reliefs in there where the power wire and the wire that goes to the indexing table motor. So let's give this thing a shot and we'll see how she goes. All right, hang in there. Okay, we've got her powered up, and I'm just going to take the camera off the tripod here. Hang in there. So right here we've got the indicator that the speed controller is working. You can turn it off, turn it on. We can crank it up, and there's a little knob on the back side of the front side of the panel there. And as we hit the foot pedal, I got that little piece of hard plastic rubbing up against the outside face of the motor, making that little clicking sound. And we can go faster as we turn it up. I'll probably never have to use it that speed, but yeah, the slower the better. I'm going to go to a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 being the one on the worm drive and 1 inch being the one on the motor. But we've got the forward and reverse here. Click it that way, and motor goes in reverse. I can set the speed on this so it really whips around, but probably never have to go that fast. And back to the motor. So all in all, we've got everything pretty well wired up here. Very simple. Everything's written on the side here. Voltage positive, voltage negative, and then your input voltage, your AC, your hot, your neutral, and your ground. Yeah, nice power supply. It got a little mashed up in transit. One of the ears got beat up. It's got a little fan on the back, so we're going to have to modify the cover. We're going to put a little circle there, 2-inch circle to let the air out, and I'll put a little circle in the front there with a little mesh, or even maybe another fan to bring cooler air in, just to get these heat sinks kept cool while we're running the motor. Anyways, yeah, so that's about it, guys. It's wired up, ready to go. Got my foot pedal, and yeah, and I just got to make the bracket for rotating the table, and make a little guard here for the to cover up the timing gears. It shouldn't take too much. A little aluminum, a little bit of TIGging, and away we go. And I might even put a cover on the backside here. Anyways, so that's about it for tonight, guys. Very short, sweet. Just wanted to keep you updated on progress of the indexing welding table. So yeah, that's about it. Hang in there. Okay, that's about it for tonight, guys. Just a short video, keep everybody updated on the progress of the rotary indexing table. Yeah, I got the control panel done, got the foot pedal in, so I just waiting for the timing gears and the belt, and we're ready to go. Anyways, guys, I'd like to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. You guys have a great night. Bye for now.